In this video, I'm going to show you the best free video compressing tool right now in 2026. This is the absolute best, like nothing comes close. The name of this tool, as you can see already, is Any Video Converter, AVC. Like, this is the best. I've used this tool and I can confirm that is the best you can use, and in no time you're going to realize why I said so. Once you come on the website, the download will start automatically, but if it doesn't, what you want to do is click on this free download. It's free and you don't have to pay for anything. Now, once it's downloaded, you want to follow the installation process and install the software. For me, I have it installed and launched already. Right, so when you come on the interface, this is what you're going to see. It's packed with a lot of things. There is merge video, so you can merge video, you can trim video with AI. There's speech to text, there's AI video enhancer, AI audio splitter, there's screen record, you can add audio, you can add watermark, you can crop video. Just a lot you can do with this tool, and guess what, it's all for free. That is why I love Any Video Converter toolkits. Now for this video, we're just going to click on compress video. So when you click on compress video, you'll be taken to the compress video interface. Now obviously, once you're here, what you want to do is click on add files, so you can upload the video that you want to compress. So I've prepared a video that we can actually use for the purpose of this video. Let's go to my Explorer and then I'll pick this video. As you can see here already, the video is around 1.11 gig. So let's upload it. Yeah, so the video is uploaded. Now for you, when you try to upload a video, you might be prompted with a screen asking you to upgrade. You don't have to upgrade. It's just more like a screen giving you the option to upgrade, probably to get better, specs and all that. But you don't have to. All you just need to do is click on continue. I think that's continue. Now here we have this video uploaded. Right here, as you can see, this is 500 MB, so it's half of 1 gig. Let's just say half of 1 gig, right? This is what we call the size. There's the size and the percentage. Now for the size, this is 500 MB. There's output format. So if you want to change it to MP4 and MP4 H.264 or whatever it is you chose, you just go here and click. But for me, I usually just leave it at auto. So Any Video Converter will just do the magic. Now for the percentage, there is 30%, there's 80%, 70, 60, 50, 40 and 30%. Now what this means is that the higher the percentage, the lesser the compression. That is to say, when you choose 80%, for instance, it will not compress it that much. That is, it will not reduce the size of the video that much. So the lower you go, the more it reduces the size of the video. Now what I usually advise is just to leave it at 50%. 50% is okay. That is if you want to use the percentage. But for me, I usually use the size. So why I love this tool is because there have been times where I compress videos as high as 20 gig and I'll compress it to say 2 gig and the quality will still be maintained. It's amazing, guys. Like, just try it out and experiment and you see how wonderful this tool is. For this particular file that is 1 gig, I'm just going to compress it to 500 MB. This is what I want. Then once you're ready and satisfied with what you've entered here, you click on this compress now button. So I click on compress now. Okay, so actually this is the screen I was talking about. Once you click on compress now, you see that they give you this option. You do not have to upgrade, guys. Just click on continue and that is it. Now as you can see, my video is compressing. Now the beautiful thing about Any Video Converter is the fact that the compression is very fast. Like, the speed is fast, guys. Like, just try it out and you're going to see how fast compared to other free tools. Actually, is very, very fast. So I'm just going to pause this video and then I'll come back when the compression is complete and show you what it looks like. Alright guys, the video has been compressed, as you can see, compressed to 500 MB and subtasks in total, just one subtask in total, and completed just now. So let's just go to my file explorer and check out the video that has been compressed. All right, so here it is. As you can see, it's now 461 MB, actually even lesser than 500 MB. So it's just simple and beautiful. When you do this, you actually realize that your video quality did not reduce. That's the beautiful thing about any video converter. I invite you to come try it out, and you can also give me your testimony. Feel free to tell me your experience in the comment section. I genuinely really want to hear what your experiences are. Right, hope you found value in this video. If you did, consider subscribing, like and share as well. Thank you, and see you in the next one.